Make it super easy for your followers to share your stream via Twitter by making an automatic tweet for them. My name is Tree and I make streamer support videos. Stream smarter, not harder. But before I begin, I stream every Tuesday and Friday, 8 PM Central European Time on twitch.tv/Tree. Feel free to hop in and ask anything about streaming. So what I mean by this is if people do a command like !tweet, this link will pop up, and with this link there will be a tweet generated for them already, and they can just tweet it out. So you can make a tweet like, come hang out with me at Tree stream at twitch.tv/Tree, and then they can tweet that automatically with just one click. So how do we do this? We go to nightbot.tv and log in with our Twitch. Make sure to authorize it. Here in the top right, I see part channel, but for you it might say join channel. If it says join channel, click on it. If it says part channel, do not click on it. We go to the left here and go to commands and go to custom. We add a command here. Call it tweet. Or share, or anything else you want, as long as you know what command name it has. And now as message, what we want to do is do $, open bracket, it's not an open bracket tweet, and then space, and then this is gonna be the tweet itself. So, come hang out with me at Tree's stream. She is playing Stardew Valley at twitch.tv/Tree. There we go, we have our tweet here, and we want to close it with a close bracket. If you're getting value out of this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel because that will help me a lot. So here we have the user level. Right now, everybody can use !tweet to pop this up. You can also say like only moderators can do this, and then people can share it throughout that message that the moderator triggered. Set it on whatever you want. Another tip is that you can also set this as a timer. So for example, we can copy this and put it in a timer instead. If you want to know how to set up timers, there's a video right here, because then it will pop up every now and then instead of having to pop it up yourself. And here, set a little bit of a cooldown because you don't want people to spam it. Aliases, leave that be because we don't want to have a second command with the same response. Right now, it will generate a link for this. It's not that nice to just have a link, so we want to describe what the link is for because otherwise people won't click it. So, share the stream on Twitter, .. This will explain where this link is for. You can make this whatever you want as long as you explain why that link is there. And then submit. Go to your chat and type /mod Nightbot. Nightbot is already a mod in my channel, so I don't have to worry about this, but if you haven't done that yet, do this. Now what we're going to do is do !tweet or whatever you made it. And then we see share the stream on Twitter, and if we click on this, this will automatically bring you to Twitter, where it says, come hang out with me at Tree streams, use playing Stardew Valley at twitch.tv/Tree. And people just have to click that tweet button, and then they will be sharing it. It will not take any effort for them, and that makes it a lot more likely for them to share your stream. I think this is just an amazing way to share your stream and have more exposure like that. Another way to get more exposure for your stream is to network. If you want to know how to network on Twitch, here I got a video for you. But you're probably setting up Nightbot, right? So let's just hop into these videos about Nightbot. See you there.